Hey Tyler, Dave with Local Splash. We spoke a week ago, and I promised to get back to you with some tips and topics of how to improve your site. You worked with us a couple years ago, and it was really challenging to get your location verified on Google. There was some past history that Google didn't like, so I saw it in a list there that it took a lot more to get through that process. Took some extra time than expected, but we got you there, and I think it's really valuable that you're there. And so your current site that's there is something that want to take a look at and give you some feedback on. So this is free feedback to you. I also have a couple other suggestions, recommendations, but so take it for what you will. So to start with, I noticed that your site really is targeting three different cities, obviously, for Lakeland and St. Pete, Ocala. And so the just taking one of those, Lakeland, was easy to see that you have an opportunity to improve. So I compared you to the number one ranking company there. And what we're looking at here is suggestions on what they're doing and you're not. So they're answering a lot of questions. And by say answering questions, they're actually focused on topics that when Google suggested answers and topics, people really like to see that. So here's a list of just questions and answers that with content that you can provide on the site. So here's some examples. I'm not going to go through this in detail. I will give you, however, all of this in long-wind format here with some suggested content of how you might be able to put this on your site. So this is ready, available for you to take. It is AI generated, so I do recommend humanizing it. We do that already, and if you would like us to do that, I'm not trying to pitch you or sell you, but we do offer services. Here's an example of a site that we've done that for. So there's several topics here that they have that listed for. So we create these sites ready-made and available for you. Nevertheless, getting back to your site, with these three, I kind of recommend that you do have a different page. So you have pages for these here, but you don't have a page specifically for St. Pete. It's actually your home page, which is fine, but it might be better to actually make it a slash page for St. Pete and then make your home page more general for everything, which honestly, you can use a lot of this content here for that home page. The other thing is, I don't know how to get to it, but you do have a Spanish site. And when you pull up that Spanish site, it kind of overlaps with the text here. It's really, Google can see that. And it's clear that that's not in a user's best interest. You might be able to space that down with your Wix. Speaking of Wix, I see you have Wix and it renews every year. I would suggest moving that to Cloudflare. You can save a few bucks. If you hosted it with us, which costs $19 a month, it would come complimentary as well. Again, not here to pitch you, but just make that aware. So the organic presence you're getting is pretty good altogether. Just to kind of give you an idea of it, the thing that we like to focus on is this Google Guarantee section, and I just wanted to let you know about it if you didn't already. This Google Guarantee section gets direct leads to you that are exclusive. Someone calls and it goes directly to you. That being said, your organic presence is really doing great because those leads in this area are really pricey. Just to give you an idea, this is the cost for it per lead. It's actually $186. If you comply, though, if you want to just have the opportunity to do this, we can get you there where you can decide to maybe just do this on a per occasion basis when things are going slow or how it might be. To get like 13 or 3 leads a week would be, though, like $2,500 a month. Potentially more. But so anyway, your organic presence is doing great. I'm glad we were able to get you there, albeit a more difficult process at the time. Tyler, if you have any challenges in implementing some of these things, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll send you my Calendly link. I'm happy to join a screen share in which we could do this on your computer in the Wix dashboard. Also, send my regards to Brittany. I understand she was understanding in at least some of the communications we had at late and understanding the challenges that we had to go through in getting that verification with Google. I do ask that you might consider reaching out to the BBB. She indicated that you would try to see about having that removed. They make it really difficult. That being said, it is possible to do, to get validated with your email, et cetera, to go through that. I would really appreciate your reconsideration to put that effort in. Hope you have a good rest of your weekend, and I look forward to seeing the continued success of ET Water Restoration.